So I'm just jumping right in. This video is about Valentine's. Yay! Who doesn't love Valentine's? You get to go on dates and do lovey-dovey stuff with your mates. Okay, so I'm taking this long wig and I'm gonna turn it into a short bob with a bang. And also, guys, this is a collab video. I'm so excited. This is a collab video with my girl, Keep It Beautify. You could check her out on Instagram, or you could check out her YouTube video where she do wigs review and makeup. So check it out. Continue to watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
There's a feeling we are going to smile, seeing my baby next to me. Thinking maybe I should squeeze it. So need some healing. Yeah, me please follow up. The sexy shapes are teasing. You know me never wait for no reason. Baby screaming. You must think you need in case me dreaming.
Like I said, ladies, if this is last minute and you don't know what to do, you don't know how to wear your hair, you could just take a wig that you have sitting there, cut it, turn it into a bob, and then you see Keep It Beautify. She have this red ombre eyeshadow going on with the red lips popping. You just want to keep it sexy, classy, and have your man just drooling all over. It's Valentine's. Who doesn't love it? I love Valentine's. Anyways, yeah.
Turn your lights down low. Window curtain. Oh, let your moon come shining into our life again. Yeah. Long time. I get this message for you, girl.
And let your love come tumbling into our lives again. Right now.
There you have it, dolls. My long wig that I turned into a nice short bob. Yes, honey. And don't forget to check out Keep It Beautify on her makeup tips. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's.
Ah.